Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Joy-Con straps, here's this one and here's this one, onto the Joy-Con remote controllers. And I'll take you through this step by step. And if we take a closer look at the Joy-Con straps here, you can see at the top of this one, there's a minus sign. And then if we flip it over here, you can see on this side that there is a plus sign. And I'll show you why that's important. And I'll show you on this one too. You have the plus sign right there. And then if we flip this over, you have the minus sign right there. And on the Joy-Con straps here at the bottom is a lock switch. It's this gray switch right here. And these need to be in the unlocked position before we do attach the Joy-Con strap to the Joy-Con remote controllers. Currently, these are in the unlocked position. I'm going to gently press this up just to lock it. That way I can show you how to unlock it if yours is in the locked position. So all you do is while holding on to the Joy-Con strap with one hand, you just gently press down on the gray switch until we hear it click, like so, and now it's in the unlocked position. So you just want to make sure that both of the Joy-Con straps are in the unlocked position before you do try to attach them to the Joy-Con remote controllers. So either of these Joy-Con straps can fit onto either of these Joy-Con remote controllers, but they do have to fit on a certain way. So let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the blue one here. And if you look at the top of the Joy-Con remote controllers, the blue one here has a, here's the minus sign right at the top of the controller, the minus button there. And then if we look at this one here, right at the top of the controller is the plus sign there. So let's start with the blue one, like I said, and we're going to take the Joy-Con strap, and you want to make sure that you have the side lined up. So we have the minus sign and the minus sign lined up. And that's important because if you try to install this the wrong way, they can be very difficult to get off and can end up damaging the Joy-Con remote or the Joy-Con strap. So you just want to make sure that you do this the correct way. So once you have the minus signs lined up there, we're going to be installing this from the top like so. And this just gently, you just gently slide this down the Joy-Con remote like this. And then as we get near the bottom, you'll get a little bit more resistance, but you just gently push down and we'll hear it click into place like that. And then at the bottom of the Joy-Con remote or the Joy-Con strap, there's the lock switch here. So to lock this, we're going to press this gray switch here just up like so. And you can hear it click into place. So now this one is done. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on this controller here. So we're going to line up, this one has the plus sign, and we're going to line up the plus sign on the Joy-Con strap. And then this installs from the top like this and just gently slides down. And as you get towards the bottom, you'll get a little bit more resistance, but you'll just continue gently pushing down until you hear it click into place, like so. And then we're going to use the gray switch here to lock this into place just by pressing upwards. And you can hear that click into place as well. So that's how you install the Joy-Con straps onto the Joy-Con remote controllers. And then here is the wrist strap here. So you can put this over your wrist like so. And then just gently, there's a button here. You can just, gently slide this down until you get it to a comfortable point on your wrist. You don't want to over tighten this and cut off circulation to your wrist. So you just want to make sure that you get it down there. So when you're using the remote, it protects, helps to protect the remote from flying out of your hands. So, and then from here to, take the wrist strap off, we're just going to press down that button there and slide up. And then we can take the wrist strap off like so. And then I will have a separate video that shows how to remove the Joy-Con straps, and I'll link those videos in a playlist at the end of this video. And if you're interested and have time and want to learn more about the Nintendo Switch, please check that playlist out. Thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.